Hello, this is your three-step prep. Three-step prep using the elements of drama, featuring my son, Josh Smith, in the kitchen here. Go.
Oh, hi. So you're probably wondering, what are you doing with a spatula? Well, first of all, licking it. And second of all, cooking some food. So first of all, you gotta choppity hoppity boppity hop boppity hop bop scroppity bop up some onions. And can we get a zoom up in here? Right over here, as you can see, there's these little thingamabopadoodles called onions. Now, onions have layers, and human beings are so interesting, created by God with different layers. You might think you know somebody, but guess again, you probably don't, because you're not at the core layer. The second step after you chop up the onions is you get some meat. And after you chop up some meat, you throw it in there, and then you put some oil and you saute that griller up. You can cook it with salt, pepper, oregano, cilantro, basil, any type of spice in the kitchen. And there we have it, the elements of cooking.
Three-step prep. Dun dun.